Oh, it went up so easy. Oh my god.
Oh fuck!
Oh my
It's the...
fucking God.
Is it the wood?
It's wood. Such a nice wood.
So is it gonna be like that one?
Yeah. 5 days ago, we bought a new home in Gothenburg, Sweden. It needs a lot of love, just like you and me. Come with us on this journey, and we make something absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are in the corner room of the apartment. We have the beautiful ceramic chimney here. Classic Gothenburg or Swedish thing to have. And we have some interesting things going on today. So the floor that we're looking at right here is some sort of type of wood floor. That is, you know, the click, click, click floors. And we are going to remove it and see what is underneath. So I had a tiny little look, but under this floor, there seems to be another type of click wood floor. But the real question is, what hides underneath that one? I'll take you with me. Let's go. All right, first things first. I already started a little bit. The part here, you can see these things here is something that I will remove first to get access to the first floor. I've done it in most of the room, and I will continue to take this off. Putting it in there and putting it out. Same thing on the opposite side. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you quickly what the bedroom floor looks like. So this is a type of wood floor that I'm looking for. This will all be sanded down and treated in a very nice color. So what you see here is this part and blocked by this one, which I will remove right away. And here comes the new floor that they put in. This is the kitchen, where we are currently also having super nice wood floor. And my hope is that underneath this floor, in the corner room, we will find the same type. Nice. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. I got a bit excited, so I started to remove the top part of the floor, and here you can see the difference. We have the floor that was on top and the floor underneath. They are extremely similar. A little bit different tone. Of course, they have a type of paper mat in between. Alright, so the issue now is that I cannot really get underneath to remove the second layer of floor to see what is underneath. Because as you can see here, I cannot bend this up. I'm gonna have to try to find a different part of the floor where I'm able to start. So I get underneath and I can start removing one layer. So here I was hoping to find some place to begin, but there's not really any space for me to get underneath anywhere here or there. And I want to be extremely careful with this because this is in ceramic. We also have a stone protection. All right, so now you will see a little time lapse. Now come, I want you to see.
Oh my god!
Yeah, crazy, right?
That's so big.
Okay. You were so cute. This is the first time you're on the channel. Hey. Thank you. So look, this is the fantastic progress we made. Halfway done. Let's go.
Oh my god! Mamma mia, you remove everything, amor.
Yeah.
You're loco. Muy bien.
Alright guys, this is where we ended up yesterday. And today, it's time to fucking break some floor. Again, I've never done this before, so there might be better ways to do things. Have I ever felt this manly before? The answer is no. Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a very sexy special guest. Introduce yourself.
Oh, me! Hello everybody, my name is Jonas.
And I'm terribly sorry for very inappropriate content, meaning that when I lift things up, this goes up, and things that you wish you'd never seen in your life, yeah, cannot be unseen.
We could edit that out as well.
We could edit
Yes,
that out.
yes,
Blur.
blur.
Yeah.
There'll be a lot of blurring in this video.
Yes, but today we are going to get rid of this second layer of the floor. I teased a little bit yesterday about the old wooden floor that we have underneath. So let's see how that goes. Let's get to it. Now it's time for Jonas to start. Yeah.
What?
Sexy moves. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Attaboy. 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 Right, so today we will start in this area. Right, so we learned something. We don't want to risk destroying the stone from around the chimney. So we found that we could take this out and then get under the floor here. By the way, this episode is brought to you by Love Logistics, your partner. Kör! Oh. Oh yes. Oh yes. Well done.
Sí, vamos!
Alright, time to reveal.
Ay, ay, ay.
Let's see what it looks like. Let's see. Let's see.
Ay. Loco. Para aquí. Oh my god. That's insane.
Wow.
How pretty.
Boy,
The state is so good so far.
It's so cool. Let's do another one.
Right, Boston.
And since you've seen Jonas work a lot lately, because I'm feeling a little bit dizzy.
It's all.
Yeah, excuses. Jokum, you wanna see?
Look how crazy. How cool is this?
So
Look,
good.
here they have the wood from the around the fireplace.
I want to
Goes
think.
in underneath here. I think that. Do you think it's wood under this stone?
Yes.
Because it is, right?
Why would he?
So does that mean we should lift this up and check?
Yeah, I think so. All right.
You want to say hi to the camera? This is Dad, by the way. Hey, Dad. Hey. All right. We need to remove this as well. So we just need to cut it open because we believe that there's wood underneath this part.
So.
Shall we try again?
Yep.
Let's go.
So you want to lift it?
I'm helping out. Så. Titta här. Det går så lite.
Oh, yeah. That's amazing.
Look.
Oh my god.
Beautiful.
How pretty.
Is this going?
Oj.
Halvfast i bamboo? No.
That's something.
Yes, it's called. Cake.
Hey. Oi, look. Yeah, there's some sort of stone here.
Yeah?
Yeah, come on now. Oh, it has a black line here. Quite pretty, no?
It's a sign of the devil. Yeah.
Muy bien.
Well,
The
we're getting.
focused
Oh, that's
Hampus.
satisfying. That is satisfying. Professional. Ooh, it has some like. Ah, that was joking. I thought it was like so beautiful. Is it? Oh, oh!
Oh my god.
Look at this.
That's amazing.
Hey. Wow.
This is a piece of art. This is from late 18th century. Back to the time of Napoleon the Great.
You can turn that off.
Look at me, though I know that I am not the one you want to see. 'Cause this mountain is not forever, so take us far away. Oh, we're gonna chase the clouds away while waiting on a sunny day. Oh, but this just won't last. Oh, 'cause this mountain is not forever. Take us far away. We're gonna chase the clouds away while waiting on a sunny day. 'Cause this just won't last.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this with your friends, family. It would mean a lot to me. Please like and subscribe to see more. I mean, we've only just started and it's gonna be so great. By the way, editing will improve. I'm old, so let's see about that. Alright guys, see you in the next one.